Friends, I am Binoy. Welcome to my YouTube channel Share Tips. Sometimes we may get multi-bagger returns from penny stocks. Risks, heavy risks are there to buy penny stock, but if you are ready to bear the risk, sometimes we will get multi-bagger returns from penny stocks. There are some companies which are in good business, doing good business, and because of some mismanagement or the aggressiveness, sometimes they may aggressively buy other companies, acquire other companies. Sometimes they may borrow money, take loans from banks without having any proper study. Some reason, some companies which are having a good business, are doing good business, and which are traded above 500, 600 levels may comes down because of these happenings. When bad debts increases, so many reasons. Sometimes they may lose their orders. This may comes down. But chances are there, a revival chance are there, still there in the company. Sometimes management may change. Management may take positive actions. Sometimes management may infuse more money into the businesses to develop. So here lies the opportunity of a multi-bagger pick from penny stock. And it is very difficult to find out such penny stock which was traded below 5 to 10 rupees. Here I had identified a company which from EPC contract business, they had a very business 10-12 years back, and because of some mismanagement the share price comes down below 10 rupees. Now there are some positive news regarding this company, so I just want to convey this news to you all people. So please have a study, because I am telling that this is a penny stock, there is a risk in it. I think this is my fifth penny stock recommendation. So I am reiterating that penny stock had high risk. So please study and invest in this penny stock. My first penny stock recommendation, Tata Tele Maharashtra TTML, when it was traded at 7 rupees, has given a massive return to the my viewers. Second stock is Because Life Care, it is trading as it is, no gain, no loss. My third pick, that is GTL Infrastructure, which is a great flop from my recommendation level. From 2 rupees comes down to 50 paisa. Still, only one positive news is I seen in GTL Infrastructure. That is, they had 36,000 towers all over India and 10 rupee face value company. So the chances of takeover is there, still there. So, so many questions asking what to do with GTL. So at that time itself I said that it is a penny stock. So don't take any question, ask any questions regarding penny stock, because risks are there. You have to study it well before investing in the company. Trident also is my penny stock recommendation, which I given a massive return to my viewers. So this is my fifth recommendation of penny stock. So take it as a penny stock. Don't mix this company with RVNL or Union Bank, etc. That company is another level and this company is another level. So chances of this company to revive is very high. That is why I am putting video here. The name of the company is SEPC, Sriram EPC. We know that engineering, procurement and construction business had a good future in India. So first of all, I am going to explain why this share price comes down from 300 rupees to below 10 rupees. What are the reasons there? First we have to understand that, then only we have to invest in this company. So as we said, this company had a good business in the portfolio, but the aggressive acquisition of other companies, as well as they have taken loans and they can't able to repay the loans. So their order was cancelled one by one. They can't able to take orders. They can't able to execute their orders timely. So they lost of orders. already have in their kitty. They lost their orders one by one. That's the reason SCPC comes from. At that time, the name of the company is Sriram EPC. It comes down from 250. I remember it was traded about 250 rupees to 300 range. It comes down from that range to below 10 rupees. I think 4 rupees something it comes down. So at that time there is no reason to buy the share because the fundamentals are very bad. Now there is some good happenings in the company. So I write down some points here what I notice as a revival story. So if people think it is prompt, it is correct, you can invest in this company. Okay. So this company I already told is formerly known as Sriram EPC. So my first point is that its business itself. The company is in a good business, engineering, procurement and construction. That they are also involved in water infrastructure, power, as well as they have overseas projects. So for a developing country like India, this business model is very good, especially water infrastructure company. So they had a base there, very good business. Second thing I write down is that it is from a reputed group, Sriram. From Sriram group, we can rely on that group. He is one of the best group of India. If we take 20 groups of India, it will come below 10. So it is a very good group company. So we can rely on this on Sriram. One or another reason they can't able to perform in this EPC businesses, but they are well known in financial structure, financial space. So we can, from that space, we are getting a company from infrastructure development company. So we can rely on this company. Above all, the main reason why I recommend this company is that there is a news regarding acquisition of shares of this company. A group from Dubai, Mark AP Capital of Dubai, has acquired stake 26.66% stake in SCPC. Near about 350 crores they had invested in the company. So we can't able to buy a company blindly that FIOs had increased the stake or buy 26% stake in the company. So what I did is that I just go through the history of Mark AP Capital. I just Google it. You people can also Google it. So when I Google it, I found it's a very, very prestigious group in Dubai. So it had an experience in this EPC businesses. They are investing in the great EPC companies all over the world and reaping their benefits. So Mark AB has a considerable experience in investing and managing EPC businesses all over the world. So that type of business companies is invested such a huge amount of 350 crores in SCPC. So there smells a chance of revival. Then one more, after this experience of Mark AB Capital in this field help EPC to get a lot of businesses, as well as they can able to execute order very fastly because the problems of debt is almost end. Then another point I notice is that actually it is a loss making company. When we compare up to 2022, it is a loss making company. That is why it is available below 10 rupees. Then only if a company shows profit, good business, then it will not available below 10 rupees. So when a penny stock available below 10 rupees and there comes a chance like this, we have to enter into the share. Then only we can able to reap the benefit of a penny stock. So in June quarter result, which was published on last Friday, is quite interesting. It shows a net profit of 4 crores. Instead of 30 crore loss in June 2022 quarter. From a loss of 30 crores, it comes to a profit of 4 crores. And most interestingly, The share price of SCPC comes down by 5%, beaten down 5% Friday to 13 rupees 65 level, and the result came on 4 p.m. Maybe expectation of bad result or some speculative pay, this price comes down. So don't go and immediately buy the share on Monday. Just watch the share for 1 or 2 weeks. If it is in consolidation mode, you can definitely enter. If it breaks 15 rupees, definitely you can enter, because 15 rupees resistance, technically also 50 rupees resistance. If it comes down based on some speculative activities, there's chances for the shares to come near to 10 rupees also. So don't buy this share aggressively on Monday itself. Okay. Next point I noted is that in June 2022, the promoters pledged share is 65% of their holdings. Now, now it is 0% pledged company. Maybe it was that pledged shares was brought by the banks, because if you look at the shareholding pattern of the company, it's very interesting that DIAs are all banks. He's holding 39.3% of the company. That is SBI, PNB and Central Bank altogether hold near about 23%, and so many banks, Indian Bank, South Indian Bank, Union Bank, almost Maharashtra Bank, almost every bank have their holding 1-2% holding in the SCPC. Sometimes it may be the shares converted, their loans converted into shares. Anyway, it's another interesting point is that they want, these all banks want the share price to go at least 50 rupees. Then only they will get their profit. So they all want this company to be revived, to perform well in the future. And I expect after the new promoter came into this company, it can achieve by the company as soon as possible. And my next point, fifth point, FIOs increased stake from 0.919 to 0.21% in June 2023. Last quarter, they had increased the stake. Very good news. Then, most attractive news I noticed here that there is a news. If you go to the site of SCPC, we can see that SCPC completed the integrated Al-Qibla project in Basra, Iraq for $236 million. That is, they executed that order, $236 million. And in that news itself, which is pointed out that this project enables SCPC to participate in international tenders of contract value up to $500 million and also open up new market in GCC countries. So this order execution 236 million is not a small story. And personally, I believe there are a lot of developments happening day by day in Dubai. If every week there are coming new projects that we can't able to imagine. In all sectors, all new versions, AI sector, every sector, Dubai, water, especially they are very much focused on water treatment, etc. So every week new projects are coming, and if SCPC can become a part of these all projects, just think what will happen. It will be in another level. And there also business also include biomass power plants. They are also in power business, thermal power plant, wind power plant, etc. And technically, also 61.54% delivery is seen in last Friday, which is also very positive. So for the time being, if you look at fundamentals, nothing is there. That is why we get the share at cheaper rate. So future, there's a great chance for this company because it is from a Sriram Group company. This is my findings, personal my finding. So remember, this is a penny stock. Don't blame me later. You have your own study. So as usual, I am saying that, so I expect from 13 rupees 65 paisa from current level, it can go to 30 rupees. Let us, after reaching 30 rupees, you can sell the share. After getting 100% profit, at that time we can again value. Every quarter we have to closely watch. That's all. And if it goes below 10 rupees, you can blindly buy the share. either you can wait the share to go below 10 rupees, otherwise you can buy in small quantity. That's also, and kept in mind this is penny stock. I am reiterating it, this is a penny stock. Okay. So this is my personal finding. So as usual I am saying that this is my personal view about the company. Please have your own study or consult your advisor before taking a position in the company. If anyone is new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Please try to pass my videos maximum to your friends or relatives. Thank you very much.